shocking statement: 3D printing is no longer just for toys and gadgets. This revolutionary technology is changing the face of medicine as we know it, and the results are mind-blowing. Join us as we delve into the world of 3D printed organs, personalized prosthetics, and even customized drugs.
3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a groundbreaking technology that creates three-dimensional objects layer by layer from digital files. This innovative process allows for the precise construction of complex shapes, using materials ranging from plastics to metals. At its core, 3D printing involves an accumulation of material to form solid structures, revolutionizing the way products are designed and manufactured. In medicine, 3D printing holds immense potential, enabling the production of custom prosthetics, implants, and even tissues and organs. This tailored approach ensures perfect fit and function, enhancing patient care dramatically. Beyond healthcare, its applications stretch into prototyping and manufacturing across industries, allowing for intricate designs that were once thought impossible. As technology evolves, the possibilities of 3D printing are boundless, promising a transformative impact on our future.
The future of prosthetics is being reshaped by the incredible advancements in 3D printing technology. No longer a one-size-fits-all solution, personalized prosthetics can now be crafted to fit the unique contours of each individual's body. This tailored approach not only enhances comfort but also improves functionality, allowing users to perform daily activities with greater ease. Furthermore, the fusion of 3D printing with bioprinting takes personalization to another level, creating prosthetics that integrate seamlessly with the human body. This innovative integration promotes biological compatibility and encourages a more natural movement. Perhaps the most exciting developments are in sensory feedback and intuitive control. Future prosthetics will be equipped with sensors that provide real-time feedback, allowing for more precise control, ultimately empowering users to navigate their world with confidence and fluidity. Imagine a world where organ transplantation becomes obsolete due to advanced bioprinting technologies. In this new era, scientists harness biocompatible materials to create functional organs tailored to individual needs, revolutionizing patient care. Functional tissues, crafted layer by layer, take shape in a bioprinter, resembling nature's own designs and enhancing the organ's compatibility with the host. Yet, this innovation carries profound ethical considerations. The ability to produce organs could overshadow the humanitarian aspects of traditional donation systems, potentially leading to disparities in accessibility and unforeseen social implications. We must navigate these complex moral landscapes with care and responsibility. Looking ahead, personalized organ systems promise a future where patients receive bespoke replacements, mitigating the organ shortage crisis. By seamlessly blending technology and biology, we embrace a transformative solution, offering hope and healing to countless lives. 3D printing is transforming drug development by allowing for the creation of personalized medicine tailored to individual needs. This innovative technology enables precise adjustments in drug dosages and formulations, ensuring that patients receive the most effective treatment specific to their unique biochemistry. Imagine a world where your medication is crafted just for you, increasing the chances of successful outcomes and reducing the risk of adverse reactions. Moreover, 3D printing accelerates drug discovery and development, facilitating faster and more efficient clinical trials. By utilizing rapid prototyping, researchers can test new drugs at an unprecedented pace, optimizing formulations based on real-time feedback and results. Finally, the advent of 3D printed drug delivery systems allows for targeted delivery of medications, enhancing efficacy while minimizing side effects. This precision leads to a more effective treatment experience, making 3D printing a game-changer in the pharmaceutical landscape. The future of 3D printing in medicine. A vision of personalized healthcare, the potential of 3D printing to transform healthcare. More personalized, efficient, and accessible treatment, the ethical implications and future challenges. Regulation, cost, and accessibility. The impact of 3D printing on the future of medicine. A bright future with exciting possibilities. Imagine a world where medical treatments are tailored specifically for each individual, a reality made possible through the advancement of 3D printing. This technology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by creating personalized implants, prosthetics, and even bioprinted tissues, making treatment more efficient and easily accessible for patients in need. However, as we embrace these innovations, ethical considerations emerge. Questions around regulation, safety, and cost-effectiveness weigh heavily on the future viability of 3D printing in medicine. Ensuring equitable access for all remains a significant challenge, necessitating collaboration between innovators, regulators, and healthcare providers. Despite these challenges, the impact of 3D printing on the future of medicine is undeniably bright. With continuous technological advancements, we can look forward to a healthcare landscape filled with exciting possibilities that enhance patient outcomes and improve lives.